Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to design TrueX Gold logo. So before we start with the design process, here is a quick word from our sponsors. TrueX Gold is, from my review, like one of the best when it comes to trading Bitcoin or any form of digital currency. You can trade your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Perfect Money, and as many. They have different options for you to choose from, and they offer the best rates by far. So I'll just walk you through how to trade Ethereum. You can trade your Bitcoin, you can trade Perfect Money, you can buy and sell on the platform, but in this video I'm going to focus on Ethereum. So firstly, you need to go to the website truexgold.com. I'll put a link to that in the video description below. Then you need to sign up for an account. I already signed up and logged into my account. So once you're done, you need to just click on this exchange tab. Then let's say I want to buy Ethereum coin, for example. Then I'll click on this right you send, you click on Naira. Then on the left panel you click on the currency you want to receive. In this case is Ethereum. You'll see they have this really cool arrangement of showing you the rates and how much you receive. So I'll just click on Ethereum. I'll wait for it to load. Then I'll specify how much Ethereum I want to buy. I'll just input, let's say 0.3. Then it will show me how much I'm paying. In this case it's 32,000, and I can choose. They have they specify a minimum of 4,000. Let's say I want to use the minimum, and it will show me how much I'm getting. Okay, they say minimum is 4,006. And it will show you how much Ethereum, the value of Ethereum you are getting. And you can also change from here and choose Bitcoin, whatever you need to buy. I'll leave it as Ethereum. Then you need to put your wallet address. I'll pause this video and put mine before proceeding, but you need to have your Ethereum wallet in here. So here you need to put your personal data, your name. So I'll put my name. I'll just put a dummy phone number. Then you will be required to solve this little math to verify you're human. It's quite straightforward. When you're done, you just click on this exchange. Then this next step, you just agree to this and create your order. From here you need to use your internet banking for this or mobile app. Then you transfer the sum you want to buy Ethereum from. So whatever is specified when you were processing that initial form, you transfer that amount to this account number, to TrueX Access Resources account number. Then in the remark you copy this code and paste it. Just follow the instructions written here. It's just to transfer this money and use that code as the remark. Then when you're done, you just click on this page, and it will wait until a human agent verifies your transaction. So this is not automated. You have to wait for an agent to verify it, as stated here. So you just sit back and wait. Once they confirm it, your Ethereum wallet will be credited. So So that's pretty much it when it comes to. So if you want to sell your Ethereum, the process is quite similar. In this tab, you select Ethereum, then here you select Naira. So you're basically transferring your Ethereum coin to your Naira account. Then you specify how much Ethereum you want and you input your wallet. Then you input your bank account number, your account details, select your bank. You just basically fill in the similar process as before. Then once you're done, you click on this exchange. So that's pretty much it. Once they verify your coin, they will credit you into your Naira bank account. So that's it. To learn more about TrueX Gold, I'll put a link to a blog post I wrote in the description section of this video as well. And if you want to sign up, I'll also put a link to sign up on their website. So with that in mind, let's get started with the design for today. So I'm not going to bore you with talking over all of this, so I'm just going to fast forward throughout most of the process.
Shimmy Tropical vibes are taking over.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más trueno de horizontes. Seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes. Seremos miles, más y más.